Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, it is Friday. The weekend is here, guys. And you made it. Well, we made it. Well, today I have a bit of happy mail. And I have something from Marion from Romancing the States. And I really want to open it. But before I do that, I also have to tell you today I am revealing the winner for the 850 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. And it is a milestone giveaway, okay? And so if you're interested in those things and the affirmation too, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I'm just so excited. I mean, you don't know how many times I had to record this intro because I already selected the winner earlier today, as right before I filmed this, and I have a little clip that I'm going to insert, but I asked you watch the video and surprise yourself. I promise it won't be a hugely long video, but I really want you to watch it, okay? And because it helps me. And another thing too, don't you want to know what I got from Marion from, Romancing the States. Look how cute that is. And their story is just so cute. It's Nate is her husband, and they met actually on YouTube. And what they do now is they have an RV, a recreational vehicle. They get in it and they go from state to state to state, and they record where they go. It is such fun videos, and what a beautiful couple. And it's called Romancing the States, and that is such a great concept. So I want to go ahead and share what she had to send to me. And thank you so much, Marion, because you're going from state to state to state. When do you have time to even find a post office? So yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. Before we jump into that though, I want to go ahead and do a quick affirmation because it is Friday going into the weekend, right? So let's start a positive weekend. So, okay, I'm going to my motivation app, and I did actually see this a little earlier. And because there's been so much talk about this topic, that I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, okay? And here it is. It's a pretty black and white background, and this applies to, I think, everybody. And this is a topic that we've been really talking about on almost in every format. I mean, even on my Facebook, and somewhere also, and a little bit in Instagram as well. So it says, I won't apologize for who I am. I won't apologize for who I am. And you know what? That's true. You shouldn't. But I want you guys to be really realistic that, just because you won't apologize for who you are, there's not going to be haters out there, right? And there's always going to be. And, the haters don't really hate you. They hate themselves, right? And I just posted something about that came up, that they hate themselves because they see, they want to be like you, okay? And it's out of envy most of the time. The haters hate, okay? So you don't have to apologize for who you are, but don't get it confused. I mean, when I say that is, in other words, we have a freedom to be whoever we want to be, okay? But you have to do it respectfully, right? And, I won't apologize for who I am, and you're like a hater and you're like hating on people. Well, that's a little different. I'm not saying that, because then you need to apologize, okay? As long as you have good intentions, it's all about intention. So if you have good intentions and you're grateful and you have gratitude for those around you, regardless of who they are, you don't have to apologize for who you are. And I certainly don't. But I don't want you guys to also get confused as to, there's certain things that I do, and some, it came up on a comment, a question of, I wouldn't care, what I look like, at work. They should, love you for who you are and things like that. And I totally get your point. And that's not the reason why, because I have mentioned that I have to make sure that, I look professional and I look respectable. I can't do bright colors. And there's a good reason for that. And the reason why is because I hold a leadership position in an organization. And I have to be respectful to the organization as well. And I can't come in with purple and green and blue and, you know, all kinds of neon colors, because I am a professional and I have to respect my workplace. That's not to say that I am bending to their will. No, it doesn't. It means that I am putting things in context. And even though, I mean, I'm never going to change the fact that I'm Muslim and then I pray 5 times a day. I will never do that, because I do take the, you know, I do take time, even if it's in the middle of a day, and I do say, excuse me, it's my time to pray. I have to go, and they respect me for that. But in turn, I also have to respect how I look. And because like I said, even if I didn't hold a leadership position, I mean, it speaks to your credibility too. Unfortunately, it shouldn't, but it does. Because, I mean, what is the first thing you think of when you see somebody that's disheveled and that are, you know, that's not speaking good language and they're using cuss words? I mean, let's say that person had a PhD. Would you ever even think that person was intelligent and had a PhD? No, because, you know, appearances are everything, right? And so this is a reason why I do, you know, I do choose to keep it a little bit tame and look professional, because I do have to play a role in that, okay? But I'm always authentic, and when I speak, I'm authentic, and I stand up for people, and I don't back down when it comes to that. So yeah, so never apologize who you are, okay? So alrighty then. Whoa, that just went way out there, but I just wanted to explain that to you guys, because some people may have had a question as, you know, why am I, you know, putting on makeup to satisfy other people? It has nothing to do with anybody. It has to do with the respect for my organization and for myself, okay? All right, so now, I couldn't wait to open this. Now, where's my little opener? I brought with me a nail file, and now I don't know what I do with it. Oh, here it is. I found it. I need to get a proper letter opener though. Anyway, I was saying this is from Marion from Romance in the States. I love your sticker, Marion. And she goes from state to state. I'm going to go ahead and drop the video down there, or actually her link down there, so you can check her out. And she goes on adventures with her husband. I like the one when they were stuck last year. I mean, not the fact that I like you stuck there, but the video was pretty cool. They didn't expect it to be like snowing and really cold in New Mexico, and they totally got stuck. And everything was freezing over, and poor Nate has to go running around looking for things so they can get their, you know, RV kind of situated. And she looks so cold. I felt so sorry for her, but you know, I really enjoy it because she takes me to places that I'm not at, okay, and then also the places that I may want to be at one day, so I take notes. And yeah, so anyway, here I go again. I know you guys, I asked you to please watch this video before you get to the, don't fast forward to the winter part of it. So I hope at least, if you are, that you're coming back to watch the video, okay? Because this is really exciting for me, and I love friend mail, and let's see what we got. I don't want to like tear through it. I'm shaking here because it's like, okay, deep breath. I got it. Needed that last stitch. Okay, let's see. I have to be careful because I don't want anything flying out of the envelope that I'm not expecting. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's such a pretty, oh look. Oh, it says thanks, and it's a 3D card because it's, you know, it's like, you see? Oh, that is so nice. Okay, I have to put on my glasses because I can't read it so small. Okay, it says, Dear Alexis, and she wrote this on the 12th, 11/12. So yeah, it took a few days to get here, but not bad for somebody traveling around. I was so distraught that your sweet card and face mask was in such a mess. Aw. I will find one, do a makeup Monday in your honor. Anything, thank you for your thoughtfulness. I hope you and hubby find perfect, what? Oh, RV perfect for your adventures. Lovingly, Marion. Aww. And she also has a channel, Life Unboxed. That's another one I'm going to put down there. That's her personal channel where this romancing the states is with her husband. So I'll drop them both down there. Aw, I'm distraught too, Marion. That's so sad, the darn post office. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to go ahead and send you something else because that's not fair. And yeah, please don't. You don't need to. You really, 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 please. I don't send these out for the intentions of, you know, you having to do a video on it, and that's to anybody, right? Those of you that actually I send things to, please feel free, and I send them to people that don't even have channels, okay? The intentions are for you, for me to make your day. And Marion, I'm so sorry they didn't make it. That darn postal service, I should charge them, you know? I need to send them a bill. So anyway, so that's okay. I'll go ahead and send you something else because I really do want you to enjoy it, especially with the weather coming up. That's going to be cold. I'm sure you guys are going to be traveling in some cold areas. But anyway, I do apologize that that happened to you, okay? But anyhow, yes, remember, okay, Life Unboxed, I'll drop the link below, and also Romancing the State, I'll drop the link below also, and you will enjoy it. And if you do like her, please consider subscribing to her, okay? So anyway, I know you guys are waiting, and you guys are waiting, and you guys are waiting. So without any further ado, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, the moment you have all been waiting for, the 850 Beautiful Wildflower Milestone Giveaway. And today I sit at 861 at the current time. Of course, I can change at any moment, but I wanted to go ahead and draw the winner since we are well into 850. So what I first did was I did go ahead and copy the YouTube video URL where the giveaway is, and that actually launched on the 9th of this month, November 9th, and so here it is. And next, I filtered duplicate users because it has to be fair. Everybody gets one chance. And I filtered comment based on a specific text. And the agreed upon word was wildflower. So if you put wildflowers, that would work too, as long as it contains the word wildflower. Okay? And so let's see how many people actually participated. And here we go. Okay, there's 43 of you, and so let's see. We're gonna hop on over here, and I wanna do this right. And are you guys ready? 850 beautiful wildflowers. So here we go. Sally! Wow, congratulations, Sally. You know what? I was going to say your last name, but I'm afraid I'll mess it up. Can I try? Is it Kauk? But I'm probably totally wrong. Anyway, what did you have to say? Okay, it says, I love being a wildflower among all of the roses. Aw, thank you so much, Sally. So let's go ahead and see if you are publicly subscribed to me, which is a requirement. So let's just hop on over. And let's see, this is your channel, and I want to make sure I go to all of your channels, and let's see if we have a whole lot that I'm gonna have to go through just in case. Let's just go ahead and do Elisa's trick here. It's a lot less painful to do it this way than go one at a time, but that was okay. Here we go. So we just need to quickly go all the way down to the bottom. It's a good, okay, I think that's it. So what I will do as usual is Command F, and there it is, Haute Modesty. And let's see, it's going to show, let's see, it's going to show in like yellow. And so, okay, well, did it like show up and adjust it? Okay, maybe I didn't hit enter. There it is. Okay, I forgot a step. Okay, there I am. I knew you were subscribed to me, so I was like, uh-oh, I did something wrong. So, okay, Sally, congratulations. So now let me get back to the main programming. Now that we know that you are the official winner of the 850 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. So I will give you the directions once we're back to regular programming. Here we go. Okay, congratulations, Sally. I am just so happy for you. Congratulations on your 850 Beautiful Wildflower giveaway win. And what I need you to do for me now is drop all the way to the bottom of the details of any of my videos. My email is there, and I need you to send I need you to send me your address where you want this shipped. And I also need to know, is it that you want makeup or would you like skincare? Or you want a little bit of both? But that gets kind of tricky because I wouldn't know that what kind of makeup that you would want. So, but I'll try my best, okay? But I will definitely send you, if you want skincare, I'll send you beautiful skincare. If you want makeup, I'll send you beautiful makeup, okay? So just please drop that down, or if it's easier for you and you have Instagram, go to Jeez, I'm really excited about your win. Haute.modesty, Haute Modesty, and DM me, and that way you can send me your address in that route, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. Thank you guys so very much from the bottom of my left ventricles. And those of you who are not medical or who's not heard me say that before, that is the deepest part of your heart and the most important part of your heart. Without it, you can't live, which is your left ventricles, okay? Alrighty, so sorry about that. I had a frog in my throat. I'm so excited. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I do thank you guys so much. And some of you have been with me from the very beginning. And it's just so amazing to me that, you know, this time has gone by. But you guys know I always have little giveaways. And next milestone giveaway is going to be 900. And so that's only like less than 40 away. So don't worry. Soon I will show you a sneak peek and I will open up another milestone giveaway, okay? And so I want you to enjoy, but don't be disappointed if you didn't win. And yeah, because your time will come, all right? Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, there's the subscribe button. Ring the bell and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, it's the weekend, so I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. That does not matter. But remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never spit the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.